So champ, all set to go? Let me see first you're protected or not properly. You got your helmet right, pads, thigh guard, gloves. You seem okay. You can go ahead now. You won't get injured.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to know?
I want to master the straight drive, just like you.
The straight drive. Once you've taken your stance, basically I can tell you about my stance. My stance is if this is the crease, then I always like my right foot to be inside the crease. Only when I'm planning something against a particular bowler, then I would stand outside the crease. But normally I would stand inside the crease. And for a straight drive, or generally in batting, something which is really, really important is your head position. For a straight drive, I would move this ball aside and keep this ball. Okay, that's a straight drive ball. Okay, it's in the stumps, the ball, or maybe on the off stump.
Okay.
But the secret to playing straight drive is that your head has to be aligned straight. Once you go there, then the ball is on the left side of your body. So naturally, what the body does is, it's going to go this way. So it cannot be a straight drive. And if your head is not straight and it's this side of the ball, then it becomes difficult to play there. So naturally you're going to slice the ball there.
Okay.
So what I ask you to do is come here and stand here and take your foot to the ball, but straight, in straight line.
Like this?
Yeah, this way. You can open your toe there.
Okay.
Okay?
So like this?
Yes. Yeah? With your head steady. Do you want to stand here? Then I'll show you.
Yeah, sure.
Then you can repeat what I've done. Okay? There. Then I'm going towards the ball. I'm watching the ball. That's where the ball is now. All I need to do is go straight.
Oh yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Your left arm will always give direction, and the right hand will always, it won't be tight. Right hand has to be loose. It will just support your left hand.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it. Come. All right. To the pitch of the ball with your head straight towards the ball in line.
Okay.
Should form an imaginary line. And with your left arm goes straight there. That's the bowler.
Yeah.
You would always want to show Aviva to him. Can you read this?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay. That's it. Perfect.
Good shot.
That is classic Tendulkar.